Comfort ye my people, saith your God. Speak ye comfortably to Jerusalem, and cry unto her that her warfare is accomplished, and that her iniquity is pardoned. The voice of him that crieth in the wilderness, Prepare ye the way of the Lord, make straight in the every valley shall be exalted, every mountain and hill made low, the crooked straight, and the rough places plain. And the glory of the Lord,
And the glory of the Lord
shall be revealed,
shall be revealed, shall be revealed,
and shall be
and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed.
And all flesh shall see it together,
and all flesh shall see it together. For the Lord
And all flesh shall see it together. And all flesh shall see it together.
and all flesh,
all flesh
and all flesh shall see it
for
together.
the Lord
And all flesh shall see it together. And the glory of the Lord,
And all flesh,
and all flesh shall see it together.
and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and
all flesh
And all
flesh
shall see it together.